Welcome back to Luimoto HQ. Today we are covering all aspects of our Gold Gel premium inserts, breaking down the different sizes, what comes with each kit, and what's best for your bike and how to install them correctly. Let's get started. To start things off, what is Gold Gel? Well, to simplify things, it is our gel insert that is installed into your factory motorcycle seat. The purpose is to absorb road shock and reduce unnecessary rider fatigue. Now, what separates Luimoto Gold Gel from others out there? Most of our competitors have some version of gel inserts, but not all are considered equal. Most are thicker, perceivably softer, and squishier, alluding to a cushy, comfortable feel. But therein lies the biggest counterintuitive reason for installing that kind of squishy gel. Your points of contact, your pelvic bones, will sink into that gel, essentially bottoming out, only now you're sitting on a thinner gel and less foam, making for a much less enjoyable, sore, and distracted ride. Our gel comes in at approximately 1 centimeter, that's 0.39 inches thick, meaning less foam is cut out than the competition and is firmer for a reason. Your points of contact, your pelvic bones, will not bottom out, absorbing more shock and road discomfort, allowing for a more enjoyable riding experience and keeping you focused on the road ahead, absorbing vibration and road shock so you don't have to. Moving on, say hello to Jack, who will review our size options.
Our Gold Gel kit comes in 4 options: GG1, GG2, GG3, and GG4. First up is our GG1 kit, the go-to for most riders looking for a rider-only upgrade. Next is GG2, a smaller size meant for the passenger seat, and most passengers know that the back seat is not the most comfortable experience. And as a side note from one of our customers who installed a GG2 on their rear, it saved his marriage. Third is our GG3 kit. It's the most ideal for 2-up riding because this kit includes the rider gel and passenger gel. Lastly is GG4, which is our largest available gel insert, best for ultimate customization for scooters and bench style seats. Every Gold Gel kit will include a layer of foam to help smooth over the install that fits between the OEM seat and your seat cover, making for a very clean and discreet install. Now, if you liked what you've seen here but are curious on how to install a gel kit by yourself, we've also included a link down below to our website. If you have any questions for us, drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked what you saw. Leave a comment down below on what you might want to see from us next. Also, find us across the internet and on your phone. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and keep an eye out for new monthly releases. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and keep an eye out for no comment down below on what you might.